Allcott Associates Chartered Surveyors is one of the country's leading providers of comprehensive, high-quality RICS building surveys. We specialise in Level 3 building surveys, the most thorough survey type available and the industry gold standard. Whether it is a modern build or a listed home, our surveyors will explain the condition and structural state of the property, advise you on repairs and maintenance, and even use their knowledge to uncover potential hidden problems. This means that you will go into your purchase with your eyes open, knowing whether or not it is the right property for you. At Allcotts, our surveys are tailored to each individual property, and we do not rely on predefined iPad content, standard phrases, or caveats. Our building surveyors are all employed by us and have years of experience in the field. They are supported by our in-house structural engineers, meaning that we can provide comprehensive structural advice without needing to refer clients to a third party. From the first contact with Allcott Associates, our friendly, knowledgeable team will guide you through the survey process. Every step will be taken care of, and we can even arrange a one-to-one discussion with the surveyor if you have any questions about your report. Whatever the reason for the survey, our expert team of chartered surveyors will help you understand your property inside out and move home with confidence.